I was good. I was. So today, guys, I am on a hoverboard. And I'm on my cousin's house right now. I'm the only one in the house right now. I'm the only one right now in this house. I was sending her to play my cousin, but I ain't gonna do it because she really mean to me because she gonna be like, that was stupid. I have 3 cousins, but I'll comment down below to watch Crystal Queen, De'Ever Care, and Kelly Sweet. 3 people I want to try to comment down below if y'all do watch them. And yes, I have more to show y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all can see.